You've probably seen the face of this guy on YouTube and assumed he was one of those well-known finance figures who are predicting doom and gloom for the U.S. economy. His name is Chamath Palihapitiya, and while his predictions about the dire future of the U.S. economy are widely known, few people are aware that this SRI-born Canadian-American venture capitalist is one of Tesla's most ardent supporters, and that he has made some startling predictions about the stock's future. Stay tuned to the end of today's video to see how Chamath defends his incredible $10,000 prediction and to get your questions answered. If we were able to answer your questions, please give us a thumbs up and remember to subscribe. It was recently predicted that the value of Tesla stock would double or possibly quadruple over the next few years. From 2017 to 2011, Chamath held a prominent position on Facebook. By the 2017 Soan conference, Chamath had drastically changed his portfolio and declared that he was one of Tesla's biggest fans. When asked by CNN and Kelly Evans about the possibility of social capital Chamath's hedge fund purchasing Tesla stock, the company's founder and CEO responded extensively, praising the company's 5-year convertible bond for offering 95 of the shares upside with the risk profile of a bond. Although Chamath claimed to be betting on Tesla's CEO, Elon Musk, because they are close friends, evidence suggests that Chamath is a reliable investor who would not place a wager for friendship alone. The seasoned financial experts seem to share our belief that Tesla is on track to exceed expectations, so it's not surprising that would be severely disrupted with trillions of dollars in bonds, capital expenditures, and value resting inside the world's energy generation infrastructure. Chamath claimed that Tesla is a clean energy firm that would eventually eat into the value of the fossil fuel industry, which places Tesla stock to overperform and the potential to work its way up to $10,000. So why the fear? Why did Chamath end up selling his Tesla stock? Did this represent a loss of faith in the brand? When asked about the matter, Chamath said he just needed to move some money around. The most altruistic interpretation of Chamath's selling is that the guy is on a mission to transform the world, and if he can find a better way to reinvest cash at high rates of return, he should do so. But a more cynical interpretation of his selling is that he is a promoter who cultivated a public image that allowed him to buy shares for a low price and drive up the price in public. In an argument with Rob Arnot, who was tired of expensive growth companies like Tesla, Chamath goes on to remark, "I guess that if nothing changed in our perspective and we got to $3,000 next year, we'd be peeling out of it." Woods. But these are incredibly optimistic numbers. Let's examine the real situation after a protracted fall. Although a number of analysts and investors anticipated that Tesla's share price would rise in response to the company's exceptionally strong fourth quarter earnings in 2021, investors panicked and started selling their stocks in anticipation of a planned rate hike by the Federal Reserve, which they believed would lower the stock's value. Tesla's stock is currently trending upward. Investors in Shanghai-based companies are optimistic about the upcoming first quarter earnings call. Footage obtained last month from Shanghai revealed that Tesla China strongly emphasizes Model 3 and Model Y exports. 2022 has undoubtedly been difficult for all equities, especially growth stocks, and most estimates are tentative. However, now that the Berlin factory has started operations, when the 182.5 megawatt Elkhorn battery energy storage system built by PGE Corp and Tesla goes live later this year at the utility substation near Monterey Bay, it will be one of the largest utility-owned systems in the world, capable of providing electricity to an estimated 1, 3, 6, 5, 0 homes for several hours. Consider that a shipping container is the company's solution for large-scale battery storage. According to Tesla's website, the Megapack is a modular system with prices starting at roughly $1.4 million for a 0.8 megawatt battery. The power pack of Tesla and all. One of the best things about this stock is its technological underpinnings. With the most recent developments on the Panasonic factory in Japan, which is expected to happen in 2023, Tesla is well on its way to being a household name for Panasonic for a very long time. It has been reported that the company is considering expanding its factory in Japan to manufacture its first batteries. The company intends to demonstrate the safety and efficiency of its. Tesla told Reuters that it would set up a test manufacturing line later this year, but it did not provide a timeline for the battery's widespread production. Instead, it stated that it was looking into a number of mass production techniques. Undoubtedly, public perception and the company's stock price will be impacted by Tesla's innovative leadership in this field. However, this may only persist temporarily because Tesla asked Panasonic to develop the cell, and the company hasn't been barred from selling to other manufacturers. The head of the battery division stated that we remain hopeful about Tesla's future. Citing Elon Musk, the company's former CEO had stated that the company intends to produce its batteries in accordance with a prediction by Tesla that car deliveries will increase by nearly 50% in 2022, despite the ongoing supply chain issues that Tesla is confident can be fixed. As the most valuable car manufacturer in the world, with quarterly sales significantly above Wall Street projections, speaking on behalf of the business, Elon Musk offered an optimistic outlook that was perplexing year after year. Not Tesla, but skeptics' bulls. According to market psychology, Tesla's worth will eventually increase and surpass present expectations if you take away the fact that it is increasing deliveries and continuing to dominate a number of other markets. That concludes this video. If you found it useful, please give us a thumbs up and remember to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Do you agree with this assessment, and do you think Tesla stock will continue its upward trend? Do you agree with Chamath generally? Let us know in the comments section, and